Next topic is differentiation with respect to other function. Now you may be asked in the question to differentiate one function with respect to other function. So if for example y is a function of x and you may be told that z is also a function of x. So maybe you will have to differentiate here. Here also the formula is like same as you have done in case of parametric equations. Answer you have to give in the form of dy upon dz because these are the two functions and x is common for them. The formula will be dy upon dx divided by dx upon dz. Dz upon dx. So as we have seen in the previous case, in case of parametric equation, our formula was dy upon dt and then we have taken dx upon dt. So here we are just assuming that there is another function z. Instead of x we are writing z. So here instead of dy upon dx you are finding dy upon dz. So formula is dy upon dx divided by dz upon dx. So you can say that dx will be deleted. Ultimately you will be getting this only. Now let us see examples related to this. Now this is the question where you have been given that this you have to differentiate with respect to this function. So this is differentiation with respect to other function. This is one function. This has to be differentiated with respect to this. So what you can do is you can assume the first function to be equal to y. We cannot assume this to be equal to x because both the functions are in the form of x. And we can assume this to be equal to z x cube plus 2x square. Now the question is very clear. Now we can take differentiation dy upon dx first. Taking the differentiation individually, it will be 6x. This is a constant, so no value. If we take this differentiation, it will be dz upon dx. The differentiation will be 3x square plus 4x. Now we will apply the formula that we have seen what we have to do in case of differentiation with respect to other function. Ultimately we have to calculate dy upon dz because we have named it dz. Our formula is dy upon dx divided by dz upon dx. So this is our formula. Now the value of dy upon dx you have calculated 6x. Value of dz is 3x square plus 4x. Either you can leave this question here only or we can take x common because we can see above also x is common and below also x is common. So if we take x common, inside it will be 3x plus 4. This x will be cancelled. So ultimately our answer will be 6 divided by 3x plus 4. Now this is another question which we will do in the same manner. So this differentiation has to be calculated with respect to x square. So this will become our y, that is log 10x. Its base has already been given in the question, log 10x. And here we can assume it to be z is equals to x square. So first of all, let us take this. So we will be taking dy upon dx. So this is how differentiation of the first function will be taken. Now here log 10x differentiation will be 1 upon x into log 10. So because base has been given, generally we assume this is log e. When the bases are same, then ultimately this is cancelled and becomes equal to 1. But here it has been given the base, so we will have to carry like this. So this is the differentiation of dy upon dx. Coming to the right hand side, dz upon dx differentiation will be 2x. So now finally we can put the formula for the purpose of differentiating with respect to other function. Here we have to calculate dy upon dz and formula is dy upon dx divided by dz upon dx. dy upon dx is 1 upon x into log 10e divided by 2x. So ultimately we can say this will be multiplied below. So our answer will be 1 upon 2x square into log 10e. In this question again you have been given one function and with respect to this you have to calculate the determinant. So we just put the left side is equal to y, x log x, and on the right hand side log, if you can see that this is in the form of log m into log n, so we can write it like this, plus log x. So taking the differentiation of the first part, we will be getting dy upon dx. Now you can see it is uv rule, u and v. So it will be first differentiation of second, log x differentiation is 1 upon x, plus log x differentiation of x will be 1. So this will be cancelled, so its answer will be 1 plus log x. By solving the left hand side, you will be getting this. On the right hand side, we will be calculating dz upon dx. Now, the log e power x, if we take the differentiation, it will be 1 upon e power x into differentiation of e power x. Correct? And the differentiation of log x comes out to be 1 upon x. Now it is 1 upon e power x. Differentiation of ex is again ex plus 1 over x. It will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 upon x will be the right hand side answer. Now finally, just filling the values in our final formula, we have to calculate dy upon dz, and we have seen our formula is dy upon dx divided by dy upon dz. Now dy upon dx, the first point, that is 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus 1 over x. So we can solve it further also. So now here below we can take the LCM. So the numerator will be same, and below when you take the LCM it will be x plus 1 by x. Now you can make this x go up, because when it will be multiplied with the opposite, it will be x 1 plus log x into the bracket divided by x plus 1. So this will be your final answer.